Hello, everyone. Welcome to day 23 of the holiday card series for 2021. This is the official very last live stream for the holiday card series, and we're going to have a lot of fun tonight. If you are limited on supplies or you just don't want to get out everything in your crafting space, you'd want to do some simple watercoloring for a last minute card, this is the video for you. Minimal supplies needed for tonight's card. You're going to need a watercolor set, some watercolor paper, a ruler, maybe a craft knife, and then a paintbrush. It's going to be really, really easy. Now, if you want to stamp your greeting on your card, you will need a stamp set and probably some embossing powder and an embossing ink and a heat tool. But I'm going to be just using a white gel pen tonight or something similar. We'll see how it works out. So let's get into it. So like I mentioned, we're going to be doing a little watercoloring today, and this is actually a shaped card. We're going to make a card that is shaped like a Christmas tree, so a triangle, and it's going to fold on the side of the triangle. So we're going to start out by determining the size of our card. I'm going to do that with just a pencil and a ruler. We want our card to fit inside an A2 envelope. So we're going to make the card no larger than an A2 card. This is just some cardstock that's cut to 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. If you are making a card that would go in a 5 by 7 envelope, you would start with a piece of cardstock that is 5 by 7. Okay, what you're going to do is find the center of your cardstock piece. This one is 4 1/4. So half of that would be 2 1/8. So I'm just going to make a little tick mark here. You can use a pen, marker, whatever. You're not actually going to be using this on your card. This is just your template. All right, so I'm going to draw a line just so it's a little easier to see what I'm doing here. But basically, I'm just going to take this point right here and with my ruler, connect it with this bottom corner down here. This is going to make the most sizable card possible for our envelope. Okay, we're going to connect this one over here. All right, so on our finished card, it's actually going to have the fold along this line right here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use a craft knife. You could use scissors. You could use anything you have on hand. All right, so this is the basic shape of our card. Now I'm going to grab some watercolor paper. I'm using some XL watercolor paper from Canson. Before we cut out the card, we're going to score it. I'm just going to score this at 5 1/2 just to make sure I have plenty of room. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and fold it down. And this is the side for the fold, so I'm going to line it up right up there at the top. And with a really light pencil, I'm just going to draw these other 2 lines. Just like that. So the fold's right there, just like that. Now I'm going to use my craft knife again and my ruler. And I'm going to very carefully cut out both layers of watercolor paper. Remember, this is folded, so it's got 2 layers underneath to get. Okay, so when you open it up, it's going to look a little funny, but when it's closed, it's the perfect shape for a tree. I'm going to use a little bit of blue painter's tape and loop it over just to keep this closed. There we go. I'm going to draw a line very lightly around my card. I'm basically creating a white border. If you wanted to paint completely to the edge, you could, but I think it's going to look nice to have a white border, so that's what I'm doing. We want to make this approachable for everyone, so let me grab my Crayola paints. We're going to be painting the entire triangle. Yeah, go back to your pencil. We're going to draw on some ornaments. Now I'm going to put my greeting down here at the bottom, so I want to keep this fairly blank. But I'm just going to draw some really simple circles And then as we paint with the green, we can, you know, kind of avoid these areas so that we have some little red baubles on our tree. Okay. And you know what? Right now it looks like a pizza slice. You could change this into a pizza slice for someone's birthday. Send them some pizza. We are going to mix up a couple shades of green and putting my white paper underneath this so we can see over on the side. So 3 distinct colors. We have our kind of like a lime green, grass green, and then we have a teal. All right, those are the colors we're working with today. I'm going to come over to my tree / pizza slice and I'm going to add water right along the edge here.
It's white outside and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air, that every child got their hearts filled up with joy. Yes, it's Christmas all around. Oh, snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you. This time of year is a time to cheer. Let our loved ones, our family and friends have a Christmas with so much love and with joy and laughter. Let us make memories that stay forever. It's Christmas today. Oh, snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you. Snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you.
This is really bugging me down here, like I didn't write it very well. This is how we're going to save it. We're going to add little glare, little highlights. Well, I was thinking I could add a little bit of shadow underneath the ornaments. I like that. Back into my red. And I just want to paint over this white gouache right there. There we go. And now I'm going to go back to my white gouache on my little tiny paintbrush. And I want to add some additional little tiny dots so they sort of look like twinkly lights. Maybe. I don't know. Oh, I have an idea. I can even... Oh, there we go. There we go. I'm making this a more and more complicated card. So sorry. It's no longer looking like a green pizza to me. Thank heavens. All right. Do I dare do more of a script writing on holidays? I think I might try. Okay. And you know what? Just because I can. And because it's bugging me. Ta-da! Perfect spacement. Or spacement. Placement. And spacing, I guess you could say. Okay, and to make it, I think to make it stand out even more, I'm going to take some more of that white gouache and go around the outer edge like I did to the ornaments. Do I want to, I'm thinking of adding the shading line right underneath like I did with the, and do the shadow. Always test your glossy accents before you actually go in to use it. I'm just saying. Right. That is the card for today. The glossy accents that I added at the end is kind of masking the bright red of the ornaments, but you'll see in the final photos that it's nice and clear and they turned out great. Thanks so much for joining me today for day 23 of the Holiday Card Series. For today's holiday question, what is your favorite holiday scent? Or, you know, like smell? Peppermint, pine tree, maybe like oranges and cloves. I think my favorite holiday scent is orange and clove and cloves. And that comes from my 7th, 8th, and 9th grade art teacher, Miss Wayrock. Every Christmas, she gave as gifts to her friends and family or whoever, I'm not sure who, but she would take oranges and she would stick whole cloves in them and make designs on the oranges. And it smelled heavenly. She would do it every single day during class leading up to the holidays, and it was glorious. I'm just telling you. Oh, cinnamon, that's a good scent too. Balsam fir, cocoa, chocolate, apple, cinnamon. Oh, these are all so good. Anyway, so my favorite scent is most definitely oranges and clove. Thanks so much for watching today. I'll be back on Friday with day 24 of the Holiday Card Series. You won't want to miss it. It's a really good one. I will see you then. Thanks for watching.